Okay, we're leaving Cuenca. Got up at 5 today. Going to Baños de Agua Santa. Allie, are you awake? Is Gabrielle sleeping?
Trying to.
Hello. Yes, I did.
All right, we're at Pailón del Diablo. We're gonna walk down there and see the waterfall. Pretty amazing place here. Down there you can see the suspension bridge and the restaurant. The actual waterfall you can't see from here, but the view is pretty nice. Would you get Allie a butterfly? Cool. What an amazing view of this waterfall. If I'm shaking a little bit, it's because I'm on a suspension bridge. And as people walking back and forth, I shake. What an amazing view. Look at that.
These are all orchids right here. They've created a wire mesh basket to hold the soil, and there's so much humidity and so much rain around here, the orchids do really well. So these are all wild orchids.
There's a nice system of paths and trails, so it's pretty easy to access the waterfall. And once you hike up, there are some observation points where you get a great view of the waterfall, and you can appreciate how incredibly powerful it is and why it's called El Pailón del Diablo, or the Devil's Cauldron. There's a walkway that'll take you all the way to the top of the waterfall. At first glance, it looks a little intimidating, but it is safe and well made, although I wouldn't recommend it for small kids or anyone with physical limitations, and you'll definitely get wet. So it's more for adventurous types. The walkway is more of a cave or a staircase at times, so you do more climbing than walking, but the views from the top are really worth it, so I recommend it if you're up for it. It's really worth the climb. From up here, you can really appreciate what an incredible engineering project it was to build those observation points right into the side of the rock face, and just how powerful this waterfall is.
We're behind the waterfall.
The Pailón del Diablo is like nothing you've ever seen before. It's truly a unique corner of Ecuador, and it's definitely worth the trip to come and experience it for yourself.